57-year-old Jacobus Marey was diagnosed with tuberculosis last year. He says he feared he would die soon. At the time, his wife had also been on TB treatment for 9 months.
It felt not very well. It was a shock to me because of the conditions I lived in. It's not good. I lived in a Wendy, who's leaking, and in the winter it's getting wet out inside, and the cold is coming from outside, and I think there where they get TB.
It's been 5 months now, and Marey says he is recovering well, and he's advising others to stay on medication. Over 200 people who attended the Cluttersville Clinic event to mark World TB Day received food parcels and free medical screening, including for HIV and tuberculosis.
I think TB is, ek het al gesien mense gaan dood van TB. En net omdat hulle nie betyds gaan om vir hulle te laat toets nie. So the main thing is they must go early to go and get the test, a TB test.
56,000 TB deaths were recorded around the country in 2023, amounting to 153 per day. Meanwhile, in Cluttersville, health professionals say tracking and tracing TB patients in the area is not easy.
And the concern in the Cape Winelands is that there is a mixture of areas. So there's Stellenbosch, which is the town and the university, and then there are areas like Klapmuts and Groendal in Franschhoek, which are farming areas. So one of the reasons it's so difficult to manage TB in the Cape Winelands is that people are very widely scattered, and a lot of the workers also move from farm to farm.
Gift of the Givers founder Dr. Imtiaz Suleiman says while his organization will continue to assist on health matters, he's calling on the government and private sector to step up in response to the USAID funding cuts.
And remember, the country's now going to take a knock because of PEPFAR and the USAID pulling their money away. The problem with that is if HIV patients become uncontrolled, TB spreads to HIV/AIDS patients, so we're going to see more TB to HIV/AIDS patients. So collectively as a country, we need to deal with that. We're not asking for foreign aid. Let me make it quite clear. We're not asking for foreign aid. I'm saying as a country, as corporates, as government, let's reprioritize how we do our funding and take care of this as ourselves.
Officials are also pleading with tuberculosis patients to stay on treatment to reduce death rates. Nobesuthu Hejana, Cape Town.